In our last tutorial, we were able to display image on our web page, to put image on our web page. So we're able to source image locally, that is image within our website. So image within our website, that is this one. For example, this is image in our website, abbdrive.jpg. So this is image in our website. So, and we have another image outside our website, image from, I think, Alibaba. So this is another image from another source. Okay, let me open it in a web browser. So this is our image page. We open by right clicking and going open with Google or any browser. So when we click it, okay, this image now, the first one, ABB, is from our our website. So this one is from Alibaba website. So you can source image either from your website or from outside your website. Okay, we have two other attributes we are going to use today. The attributes are auth and image size. Auth and image size. These are the two attributes we are going to work on today. Auth and image size. So okay, let's start from the word auth. The auth attribute, the auth is a short form of alternative. Alternative. That is auth. Alternative. Okay, what do we use it for? It provides text alternative if the image fails to load. It provides text alternative if the image fails to load. So that is what we call auth. It provides text alternative if the image fails to load. For example, if the image you put on your website did not load, then it will write either the name of that image, it will bring out either the name of that image or any name you put, alternative name you put there. So telling you that the image did not load. What can make image not to load? If your network is slow or you have SC, if your network is slow or you have SCR errors, maybe in your URL you didn't put it correctly. SCR errors in your source. For example, if you didn't put this thing correctly, maybe instead of ABB you wrote abbdrive.jpg. This one, instead of that, you miss something here. That is SCR error. Or if your network is slow, slow network can make your image not to load. Slow network can make your image not to load. Okay, let's see the alternative before we go to the image size. Because on the image size, we are going to discuss the width and the height of the image. Okay, let's first of all start from this one. Maybe let's remove something like B. Instead of ABB, we will remove something like B. You see AB drive. So you write alternative using the word auth. Auth means alternative. Okay, now we are going to put just only ABB. So this is an alternative name if this image did not load. So the image may not load because maybe you did not put the right a right source. That is, instead of ABB, you put AB drive. Then you are going to add the alternative. This is the alternative, the name that will appear if the image fails to load. Okay, let's see it. Let's save and check it in the browser. Open it in the browser, or you just where we opened it before, you just refresh. Let's just refresh. Okay, let's go down. You can see instead of the image we have here, under down here, you see we have ABB and we have this kind icon. If you see this, it means there's a problem. And this is the name, the alternative, the name that will appear if the image fails to load. If I go back to the this thing and change ABB, change it back to ABB and save. ABB drive.jpg. So if I come here now and refresh, the ABB will come, will be loaded, and that the alternative name will not appear. If the image is loaded, the alternative name will not appear. Okay, that is what we call the alternative attributes. Alternative attributes. Okay, the next thing we are going to discuss is image here, image size attribute. Image size attribute. In the image size attribute, we have width and height. We have width and height. For example, this drive image, ABB drive image, it looks small. So maybe you want to increase the size. Okay, if you want to write the width and the height attribute, you have width and height. These are the two image attributes for size. Increase or decrease the size. Want to increase or decrease the size of your image. Okay, first of all, you put width. So, and the second attribute is height. The width and the height. We use these two attributes for sizing, increase or decrease the size of our image. For example, let's put something like 80 here, 80 can be 8ps. Let me check. 880 or 80 with 8 height 100. Okay, let's save and change and check. I think we should put something like this, but let's check it. When we refresh, you can see the image decreases in size. The image decreased in size. Okay, what if we put something like 350 and 500 px piezo? But I think if you don't put it here, it will not give error, it will not affect it. Okay, let's refresh. When we refresh now, you see the image has increased. So this image is too big for us. Let's reduce it. Let's put that 350 and 350. Okay, let's put the size of this one. We have width. Let's put the width 350. And we have a height, another this in height. Let's put it 500 and save. Save. You save it, then you refresh. You see, we have reduced the size of the image. So this one and this one now is the same size. So the width and the height, don't mind this, is what I wrote down. The width and height is this thing that appear here. I can remove it. So we save again, then refresh. It's gone. Okay, so that is sizing of image. So we did attribute, the alternative name, the name if the image did not